What's up guys, welcome to another video. I am in beautiful New York. I have to show you the view. That right there. So I wanted to intro this video. It is a pack with me for these two trips that I am on right now. So we're in New York and then next we're going to LA, which is in a few days. So excited. I wanted to do a pack with me, share with you guys how I pack, what are my tips and tricks, and the new luggage that I got. So let me break it down. I was looking for new luggage. I just wanted to upgrade. I wanted something a little more modern, a little more chic. I wanted luggage to match for once. I don't have like a full set that matches, and I also didn't want to use any padlock, so I wanted something that was a bit more on the smarter side, a bit more techy, and just something that looked dope. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so let me know what you think down below and I'll let you go ahead and watch. This side, which is going to be my clothing, and to make life easier you get these packing cubes from Amazon. I'm going to leave it on screen and in the description box, but they just make packing easier, everything looks neater, and you just have your life in order. So I'm going to start with this one right here, and I'm going to show you guys what I have in each cube just for reference, and then I'm going to pack with you guys. So for the one that I bought, these Vista ones, I guess, they're £20 for a pack of, I believe, 6. This is the largest one, and then you get 2 medium ones and then smaller ones. So it just makes everything really easy. So in this cube, I just have these 2 like t-shirt dresses that I wear as pajamas. And because we're going to 2 different cities, one of them we're staying with friends, so I need to wear something. I can't be going around naked. I also have a pair of denim shorts. A lot of my stuff is from Zara, so if I don't say anything, it's from Zara. So these are some denim shorts. I got this from Zara. It's another dress. Here I have 2 pairs of Guess jeans. They fit me so well. I think one of them was in the sale. They just fit really well. The material is amazing. And then I have some really old Levi's cutoffs. I believe I cut these off myself, I'm not sure. And then my Levi's jeans. They're just really standard, easy jeans to wear with any kind of outfit. So this is this cube. Next I have another large cube, and in this one I have a lot of white tops. I keep white separate from blacks, and then I have a couple of colored items. So I'm just gonna remove these and show you guys what I have. I have this really easy linen shirt, white shirt that goes with everything. A nice little white top, it will go with jeans. White t-shirt. I have a bunch of white vests. I wear these with everything, and it's pretty much my wardrobe. I have these All Saints like cycling shorts. Underneath, what is this? Oh, jogging bottoms for the plane. And then I have a white All Saints dress. Then in here I have some delicates. So I have some satin dresses. So I have my black one and then another black one, both from Zara. One is short, one is longer, and because these are a bit more delicate, I keep them in this little pouch. I have this purple top from Zara, of course, where else? Then I have this Nasty Gal print dress. It's quite sheer, but I thought it would be nice for photos and just for an evening out. And then I have this nice little vest that will be cute with jeans just for a day out. That's my other large packing cube. So next I have a medium packing cube. This is what the medium one is like. It's actually not that much smaller than the large one, but yeah, I have a couple of these. This one holds all my black and gray items, and these are just like tops and a couple other items. So I have this t-shirt that I stole from my sister. Thanks, Lana. Then I have these bodies. These are from Urban Outfitters. I have a couple of these, white one. In the other packing cube I have black one, a gray one. So that's that. I have this top. is from Urban Outfitters. You can wear this with like high-waist jeans.
Oh.
It's really cute on. It looks very
Cool.
risque, but it's a top, so it's really cute. Then I have a couple of these just really easy tops, good for pictures, good for like beach days. You can wear like a shirt over it, really easy. There's a really easy halter neck top. Then this one from Free People. I have another black vest. This is a little like corset thing. You can wear this with a dress or whatever. I had that for a long time. This is another body. These are my cycling shorts from All Saints, the same one as the white ones I showed you earlier. A skirt, another dress. This one is from All Saints. I got it in the sale. This one is an old one from Zara. And then I have this cover up. You can use this as a beach cover up. I also stole this from my sister. This is another medium packing cube, and this one holds my bikinis. This one's kind of empty, but it's good because it really flattens out. As you can see, the space is limited right now. So this is a nice flatter cube. I just have bikinis and a bra. So I will just zip this up and put it on top of here. And hopefully that'll be okay. And then lastly, we have my underwear and any like sports bras in here, which you don't need to see. And that is this side sorted. So we're gonna pop this over, close this up, and that is this side done. So we're gonna move on to this side, which is gonna hold all my skincare, hair care, makeup, and just miscellaneous items. So the first thing I'm putting on this side is my makeup case. You guys have seen this before. I did what's in my travel makeup bag before. It looks a little wild, but I basically have all my essentials. I have powders, of course, sprays, my palette underneath there. I have some extra lashes just in case. I have some powders, sponges, and all that good stuff. So this is my makeup case. I'm just gonna put this on the bottom. Usually for anything heavy, you want to put it towards the wheels because when it's standing up, the weight goes down. So you don't want to squish anything delicate. So you're gonna move and place it where the wheels are. I'm actually gonna put it long ways because it gives me a bit more room. Next, I'm gonna go in with my skincare, and this one is really good because it holds a lot. This is the Kylie Skin one, but it holds quite a lot. It's really easily cleanable. So I'm just gonna take you roughly what's inside here. I have like a headband to keep my hair back. I have my razors for my Dermaflash. I have a couple of face halos. I have my Nurse Jamie like facial roller. I have my cleansing balm, moisturizer from Sunday Riley, a Glam Glow Super Mud. I have my Summer Fridays, like it's a mask, but it's good for exfoliating. I have my eye cream from 111 Skin, my toner, a hydrating mask, a good like pore mask. This one's from Ulla Henriksen. My cleanser. This is a serum, like a hydrating serum. My skin tends to dehydrate when I go abroad. These are like some sun drops from Drunk Elephant, and that is it. So I'm just gonna place these back in. So I'm going to put this right here. Next, I have some hair care. I usually don't do much to my hair, but these are just like essentials. I'm just gonna remove these. I wanna film with these items, so I'm just gonna put those on the side. I have a hairbrush. I have a memory mist from Way. I love their hair products. And a medium hairspray, so not much. And then just my matte pomade for when I tie my hair up. And then in here are just some clips, some bobby pins, some hair ties, just so for when I curl my hair or I straighten it, I just have some clips to use. So it's not much. Put my hairbrush back in there. And then zip this up. Put this like so. Next, I have miscellaneous items. So I'm going to show you what is in here. I have my smaller sea perfume from Giorgio Armani, good for travel, but I have it in this bag that protects it. And then I have my Patrick Tar spray, but this kind of leaks, I feel. It's leaked before and I don't want to put it in my makeup case. So I'm just putting it in there just for an extra layer of protection. Oh, this is my toiletries, duh. Okay. So I have a bunch of masks. You can never have enough. And I also bring some for James, so we kind of share. I have some body care in here. I have my deodorant, my body moisturizer, razor, tanning lotion. I have dental floss. I have toothbrush and some tongue brushes. I have a foam body wash because I hate the ones in hotels. I have SPF 50. I have a scrub toothpaste and extra razor head. So super simple. And then in here I also have a couple peels from Ole Henriksen because my skin gets dodgy when I go abroad, and just again some masks. So this can just go in here. Then I have a couple items I want to film with, so I'm just going to put these on the side here. In here is just a little handbag. This one's from Zara. So because this is super flat, I'm just going to place it here. Then I have my Dior saddle bag, which I'm just going to place right on top of the other one. And you want to take protective bags for your shoes and for your purses because you don't want anything to go on top and get dirty, especially your shoes, they're dirty, so you want to put them in covers. Here is just a tiny little Louis Vuitton bag, just something you can have on the go if you don't want to carry a bigger bag. I just like this for like day trips. Then I have my Gucci belt. I don't take many belts with me. I always just like a black one. It goes with pretty much everything, so I'm just going to place this right here. And I'm carrying only one pair of shoes in this luggage because all my other shoes are going in the medium luggage, so it's a little smaller than this one that we're checking in, and I'm sharing it with James, and our shoes are going to go in there just because our trip is a little long, and also we're taking a little pictures and we just have extra things more than the usual, hence why everything is very overdone. But I'm just taking these sandals because they're flat and they can fit in this little corner right here. So try to make use of as much space as you have. You can really manipulate it. And then lastly, I just have my Euphoria, which doesn't fit in my skincare thingy, so I'm just gonna slot it right in here, and that is this side. So that is my main luggage. I hope that was helpful. As I said, the medium luggage will hold just any extra shoes. I'm only taking like 3 more pairs, and then the rest will be for James to put his stuff in. So the cabin luggage has the same layout as the larger one. So I'm actually going to use only this side because this side will be for some other camera gear that we're taking. So I only have 3 items that I'm gonna fit in here. So this is also from Horizon Studios. They do 3 different colors. So I have a face wash from Dr. Jart. Then I have 2 Drunk Elephant items here, a serum and an eye cream. And then I have a moisturizer from Peter Thomas Roth by Terry lip balm. This is super moisturizing, so it's really, really good. Then I have another moisturizer from Drunk Elephant, my mini Euphoria for when I cleanse my skin. Then I have a tiny little serum over here. And then these are so good, I've tried them lately. The Elemis, what are they? The Superfood. This is the Elemis Superfood. So this one is the Elemis Superfood. This is the Elemis Superfood AHA booster. This is really good for vitamin C, radiance, and just hydration. Really good, and it sinks into the skin super, 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 super fast. So I have that in here. Then if I turn it around, you'll see my face halo. This would be good for when I cleanse my skin and I can just wipe everything off. And then I have a bunch of masks, my zit stickers because you never know if you break out, and then some under eye patches, and lastly my gua sha just for any tension in the face. And so that is the skincare I'm gonna take on the plane. Next is an essentials kind of bag. So this one holds a few things. So in this little pouch right here, I just have some gum, some perfume, some blister pads, and some plasters. So this is really helpful. I have some tissues. I have some of my jewelry. I have some extra zit stickers, and then these wet wipes. So that is just essentials that I'm gonna need on the trip in general, and so I'm gonna take it on the plane with me. And then lastly, I have my laptop. So I'm gonna take this and another small pouch like this, which holds all my chargers for the trip in general, and my laptop and phone and all that kind of good stuff. So that's gonna go in here with my laptop. So I'm gonna place this down like so. And then my chargers will go here, and I can zip this up. So that is the pack with me. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below. I would go follow my Instagram if you're not already. It's the Nina V. I'll leave it on screen, but I am posting as much as I can on there so you can stay up to date on my travel. So if you guys are interested, head over there and stay tuned for my YouTube. I've got more videos coming soon. Bye guys.